YouTube, just left Motivations. Jim put me down with a nice set of lights for the car. Go back OEM. That's it. Headed to the house in a minute. These were some items that I needed. So I changed my rear tail lights out. The other ones were aftermarket. Previous owner, whoever put the lights in, did away with these in order to get the aftermarket lights to work. But I needed them. Now I got them. We're in the game. Now I can mount up all my lights. Well, whether wire them up. About to get that ugly off.
That's gonna be cut. I got ready to go down there and show it rain. I got to go down there. Be my second time. The what? 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 Nice. Oh, these some bad mosquitoes this year. You got to take that whole light out, Coach E?
Yes, ma'am. There you go. After Effects, before and after.
You ain't gonna say that now.
YouTube, you'll figure it out. There's plenty of videos to show you how to do it. Slap this on real quick before I get ready for work.
You got the dog daycare.
Night and day. You know you don't want no dog.
I sure don't.